Galvan went to jail, was fingerprinted, and arraigned in court. He sold his truck to pay $4,000 for an attorney, and then all the charges against him were suddenly dropped.
NBC 7 investigates reporter Mari Payton got a chance to speak to a man who says he was completely misidentified in a serious crime, and she's basically here to talk about how problems for him linger even though he did nothing wrong.
Yeah, this is a pretty wild story. Let me tell you about 25-year-old Angel Galvan. He lives with his girlfriend and 2-year-old son in Los Angeles, but imagine his shock when he received a letter from the district attorney's office saying he was charged with a felony right here in San Diego, a city he had never even been to in his life.
And to this day, it gets me, this is what I'm dealing with all this. Like, I didn't know this could have happened to anybody.
Angel Galvan is emotional, thinking about the time, money, and sleep lost over an incident that started with this letter. He received it back in July at his home in Los Angeles. The letter came from the San Diego County District Attorney's Office. It said he was charged with grand theft of personal property from Go Wireless, a smartphone company, a felony committed in March. But Angel was never in San Diego. He had worked for Go Wireless, but only for 2 months and years earlier at a location in L.A. He didn't know what to do, so Angel hired an attorney.
He said, you're going to have to go to the San Diego County Jail and do a book and release. I said, what's that?
Angel soon found out. A few weeks later, he went to his court arraignment and then to the San Diego County Jail. There, he was fingerprinted, photographed, forced to give a DNA sample, and then released after 5 hours. He knew he was innocent, so his attorney sent documentation to the DA's office showing proof of where Angel was on the day of the alleged crime. Then, 5 days later, the DA acknowledged their mistake in an email to Angel's attorney saying, quote, "Sorry for the mix-up." Turns out another individual with the name Angel Galvan also worked at Go Wireless, and that was the man authorities wanted. Neither the DA's office or Go Wireless would comment on this incident to NBC 7 Investigates.
I felt like if the DA wants to press charges on somebody, I would at least have the investigating attorney call me and say, hey, I need to talk to you about this case, or at least verify that they're getting the right person.
Although Angel is glad the DA admitted fault, he still has an arrest and court record.
Even if he has the arrest record taken off, there's still a record of this case, and there's still his fingerprints, his DNA, and his photo in the police database.
Angel's attorney says his case is officially listed as dismissed, but with no explanation that he was misidentified, something Angel says could hurt his career prospects in the future.
I feel like if I lose this opportunity because of this, I'm going to get even more frustrated in the future. For everything that I've gone through, I really don't want this to happen to anybody else.
Angel's attorney filed a claim with the district attorney's office. They rejected that claim 2 weeks later. So Angel and his attorney plan to file a lawsuit against them. They also sent Go Wireless a letter making them aware of the issue and asking them for financial compensation. If they take no action, they plan on suing them as well. I'm Mari Payton, NBC 7 Investigates.